today? It's, that's right, Thursday. And yesterday was Wednesday. And tomorrow is Friday. That's right. And what month are we in? Do you know? September. You got it. Let's read the date together, okay? Today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020. Okay, I thought we could start off our morning with our poem about the Indian child. Do you want to do it with me? Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Who's that peeking from the teepee? Who's in that canoe? Who's that with the bow and arrow? Who has deerskin shoes? Who grinds the corn to make the cornbread? Who rides horses wild? Who can spear a fish in the water? It's the Indian child. Very good. Now, I have a question for you. How many vowels are in the alphabet? Do you know? You do? How many? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Very good. And how many sounds do they have? 2. That's right. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. Okay, now close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Here we go. The name of this letter is A. It makes a short sound, A, as in apple. A says, A, A, A. The name of this letter is E. It makes a short sound, E, as in elephant. E says, what does the elephant say? Good job. The name of this letter is I. It makes a short sound, I, as in inchworm. I says, I. The name of this letter is O. It makes the short sound, aw, as in ostrich. O says, ah. The name of this letter is U. It makes a short sound, as in umbrella. U says, ah. Super good. Now, are you ready to sing a song with me? Here we go. We're going to do Old Macdonald, but in our vowel form, okay? Here we go. Look there's some animals that you can find in Old Macdonald's farm. There's a dog, cat, hen, pig, and a duck. Old Macdonald had a farm, and on his farm he had a cat, with an here and an there, here and there and everywhere, and Old Macdonald had a farm, and on his farm he had a hen, with an here and an there, here and there and everywhere, and Old Macdonald had a farm, and on his farm he had a pig, with an here and an there, here and there and everywhere, and Old Macdonald had a farm, and on his farm he had a dog, with an here and an there, here and there and everywhere, and Old Macdonald had a farm, and on his farm he had a duck, with an here and an there, here and there and everywhere, and Old Macdonald had a farm, Yay! Did you sing it with me? Super good. Okay, now I want you to get some of your vowel letters from your mobile alphabet. The teacher Marcel lent to you, and I want you to put them in front of you, and I'm going to show you a word, and you're going to tell me which vowel is in the word. So you get to listen and you get to see. Okay, so stop, look, listen. Here we go. The first one is bell. Bell. Ding, 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 ding. Bell. Which vowel sound does bell have? Do you know? Find it. Get it. There you go. That's right. Super good. Okay, everybody, for your next one? Here we go. Buzz. Buzz. A bee buzz. Can buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. 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 What short vowel sound does buzz have? Do you know? Find it. There you go. That's right. Okay, next one. Dog. Dog. Ruff, 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 ruff. Dog. Which short vowel sound does dog have? That's right. You found it. Super good. Okay. Did. I did a lot yesterday. Did. Did. Which short vowel sound is the word did have? Did you find it? Find it. You found it? That's right. Hey, good job. Okay. The last one is band. Band. A band is a group that plays music. A drummer and a guitar player. Band. Which short vowel sound does band have? Did you find it? You did? That's right. Super good. Okay, so today there's no homework in our letters and sounds book. So that's our class for today. I hope you did really well. I'm sure you did. And I'll see you tomorrow. Lots of love.